Hi, it's Dave from Chase Classic Cars. I've been buying again. You get these people ring up. Yeah. Do you buy cars, mate? Yeah. Do you buy scrap cars? Yeah, sometimes. It's failed the MOT. Okay. Do you buy vans? Yeah, sometimes. All right, what have we got here then? Ford Transit Connect. It's definitely, we're not getting view, a van. Okay, there she is in all the glory. Is it a good van? Well, it's a Ford. You either love them or you hate them. It's got tyres. It's got 4 of them. Might even have a spare. I don't know. Has it got a spare? No. Is it hidden underneath? Yes. It's there. A spare. Typical builder's painter's van. He's painted the bumper for me. He's never cleaned it since he's owned it, I don't think. He's left the roof rack on. It's probably worth more than the van is. Just walk over here, make sure I don't fall over the crap on the floor. Yeah, it's got doors, it's got wheels, it's got an engine. Must have an engine, must have a gearbox because it started and it came in here. It's got an interior. Right, break-in transmission, the phone went. Always happens when I'm videoing. Yeah, it needs a damn good clean. Not decided what I'm going to do with it yet. It's failed its MOT. There's a rather large patch of rust that won't show up there without a light. I should have brought the light with me. Hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on, wait for it. I bought a new torch. It's great, this new torch is. Yeah, typical old van quality. Tyres are good though. Right, I'll save them. Okay, what we're going to do with it, you're going to have to decide with me, because I don't really know. Made some space though the other day. Some Germans left. Still got some Germans. There's the S2 wide body there, still waiting its turn. Because this bugger's taking all my time up. But that's getting there too now. Although I have been arsing around the other day. Last couple of days, a bit this morning. Made myself a new welding trolley. Because every time I put something down, I can't find it. It disappears. So if all of it's there, it's not going to disappear. And I bought some new wheels for it as well, which I'm quite impressed with. Right, going to give it a go of cleaning this Transit now. See you in a bit.